wanted to show you a little bit of something about stencil storage. Gina had kind of challenged us to go into some details. So my messy desk is right behind me. You know, it's always a messy desk. I'm going to swing around the room here, just pan a little bit. Down at the other end down there is stencil storage, and then behind me I have a few things in that desk. So each wall has a little bit of stencil storage. So recently I got some extensions for this Clip It Up. This was a piece I already owned, but what I wanted to do was to add a space down below where things were not snagging and put my larger stencils. These are mostly 9 by 11, something like that. And what I've done is I've added tabs in here. These are just those clear plastic things you get from the dollar store, which are page dividers, and put the designer's name on it, you know, because I have certain favorite ones. I have those set up when I have multiple stencils by multiple designers. So I have my smaller ones above and these down here, which are larger, and then I also have this over here with some smaller ones which are not used quite as often, or design team things. These are all design team things that I use for design team. And then I also have a small box in the back here. These are holding small stencils like the 4x4s, and I can just pull through that and leaf through. I also have one drawer over here that is designated in my Alex drawers to 12-inch stencils. These are just too big for me to hang. I've tried hanging. You can see I've got the hooks on them, but I need to hang something from the ceiling in order to accommodate these because they are super big. And I don't use the 12 by 12 that often. I have quite an assortment of them, but they just stay in this drawer and they're fine there. I have room for some other things in that drawer, but they'll just live in my drawer for now. I also have these hanging hooks, which are right above my work surface, and I have my smaller tag ones. Like these are the mini ones from Stampers Anonymous, and these are the larger ones, and they're just on a ring binder so I can flip through them. These are a little bit sturdier plastic than some of those other ones, and so they work well for something that I just want to grab in a hurry to use on my art.